Do you suffer from knock knees, where your knees touch but your ankles are apart? If so, you're not alone. Many people experience quad stretch. Start by standing upright with your feet hip width apart. Lift your left foot towards your buttocks and hold your ankle with your left hand. Hold this position. Lie on your side with your legs straight and your ankles together. Lift your top leg towards the ceiling and hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Lower your leg back down and repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. Lie on your side with your knees bent and your feet together. Lift your top knee while keeping your feet together. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds and then lower back down. Repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions and then switch sides. Stand in front of a step or low platform. Place your left foot on the step and then lift your right foot to join it. Step back down with your right foot and then repeat on the other side. Repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. Stand with your back against a wall and your feet hip width apart. Slide down the wall until your knees are at a 90-degree angle. Hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds and then slide back up. Repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. Start by standing with your feet hip width apart. Take a big step forward with your left foot and lower your body until your left knee is at a 90-degree angle. Push back up to the starting position and then repeat on the other side. Repeat for 10 to 15. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Lift up onto your tiptoes and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Lower back down and repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. This exercise helps to strengthen the calf muscles, which can help to improve knee alignment. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.